Welcome to the Walking TV channel, where every journey is an invitation to discover the world's hidden wonders. Today, we're setting our sights on Vietnam, a land where ancient traditions meet modern energy, and every corner tells a story. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Vietnam stretches gracefully from the misty mountains of the north to the lush, fertile river deltas of the south, bordered by China, Laos, Cambodia, and the shimmering South China Sea. Here, you can trek through emerald green terraced rice paddies one day, breathing in crisp mountain air and witnessing landscapes sculpted by generations. And the very next, you might find yourself unwinding on sun-drenched beaches, where gentle waves meet golden sands and the horizon seems endless. The culture here is a vibrant tapestry, woven from the threads of ancient dynasties, French colonial influences, and a fierce, enduring spirit of independence that shapes daily life. But what truly sets Vietnam apart is its people, resilient, optimistic, and incredibly welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. Every bustling market, lively street corner, and shared meal is an open invitation to connect, to experience genuine warmth and hospitality. This journey isn't just about sightseeing, it's about true immersion, stepping into local life, traditions, and celebrations. We'll dive into the vibrant chaos of bustling cities, glide through mystical bays shrouded in mist, and wander through ancient towns aglow with lanterns where history and magic blend after sunset. Prepare to taste unforgettable cuisine, from steaming bowls of soul-warming pho to a rainbow of exotic fruits bursting with flavor. Vietnam promises not just a trip, but an adventure that lingers long after you return, an experience that will change the way you see the world. So pack your sense of wonder and curiosity. Let's begin our exploration of Vietnam together and uncover the timeless charm that awaits. Our first stop is Hanoi, Vietnam's captivating capital, where the past and present blend seamlessly to create a city unlike any other in Southeast Asia. This city pulses with 1,000 years of history, where ancient temples stand side by side with modern life, and every street corner tells a story of resilience and renewal. Lose yourself in the old quarter's maze of narrow streets, where hidden cafes beckon from shadowy alleys, and the ballet of motorbikes weaves through the city's vibrant heart. Hoan Lake, with its iconic turtle tower and the elegant red bridge leading to Ngoc Son Temple, offers a tranquil escape in the city's heart, a place where locals gather to reflect, relax, and connect with nature. Early mornings bring Tai Chi by the water as the city slowly awakens. Evenings see couples strolling hand in hand, lanterns glowing softly, and the air filled with laughter and conversation. Hanoi honors its past at the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, a solemn tribute to the nation's beloved leader, and at the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university, where scholars once gathered to pursue knowledge and wisdom. But the city's true magic is found in its daily rhythm, the sizzle of street food on every corner, the hum of lively markets, and the irresistible aroma of steaming noodle soup drifting through the air. Here, every sense is engaged in a kaleidoscope of color and sound, from the vibrant lanterns overhead to the rich spices and fresh produce that fill the markets. Hanoi isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to live, even if only for a few days. It invites you to slow down, savor each moment, and truly immerse yourself in its unique rhythm. It's the soul of Vietnam, a city that captures the spirit of its people, and the perfect introduction to this remarkable country. Let's dive into its wonders and discover what makes Hanoi truly unforgettable. From Hanoi, we journey east to Ha Long Bay, one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders. Legend says dragons created these limestone karsts to protect Vietnam, and the bay's beauty feels truly mythical. The best way to experience Ha Long Bay is by boat, gliding among emerald waters and towering pillars, past floating fishing villages where life moves to the rhythm of the tides. Adventure awaits. Kayak through hidden lagoons, swim in cool waters, or explore caves like Thien Cung. As sunset bathes the bay in golden light, the landscape becomes pure magic. Overnight cruises anchor in quiet coves, offering dinner under the stars and misty morning views. Ha Long Bay isn't just a sight to see, it's an experience that fills you with awe. Here, nature's grandeur is humbling and unforgettable. Let's set sail into this dreamscape. Next, we travel to Hoi An, a town where time seems to stand still, suspended between past and present. Here, lanterns light up the night. Once a bustling trading port, Hoan's architecture beautifully blends Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, and European influences. Stroll along pedestrian-friendly streets lined with yellow shophouses and vibrant bougainvillea, creating a painterly scene. The Japanese-covered bridge, built in the 1590s, stands as a symbol of the town's rich and storied history. Discover hidden courtyards, bustling markets, and renowned tailors ready to craft custom outfits in just a few days. As dusk falls, thousands of silk lanterns illuminate the streets, and Thuban River, casting a magical, unforgettable glow. On full moon nights, lantern festivals transform the town, electric lights off, wishes floating gently down the river. Hoan's beauty is truly timeless, and its nightly transformation is pure enchantment for all who visit. Let's wander these lantern-lit streets together and experience the magic firsthand. We head south to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam's energetic, ever-evolving metropolis. Here, skyscrapers rise beside grand French colonial buildings, and the city buzzes with relentless energy. Visit the War Remnants Museum for a sobering look at history, and the Reunification Palace, frozen in time since 1975. Dive into Ben Thon Market's chaos, souvenirs, fresh produce, and street food galore. Marvel at the Notre Dame Cathedral and Central Post Office, echoes of the city's colonial past. But the real heartbeat is on the streets. Pull up a plastic stool, sip café soda, and watch the endless river of motorbikes. The city's organized chaos is mesmerizing, its spirit unstoppable. Ho Chi Minh City is a thrilling blend of past and future, tradition and innovation. It's a place that never sleeps and never stops surprising. Experience the pulse of modern Vietnam. Our journey comes to a close in the Mekong Delta, the lush, fertile rice bowl of Vietnam, where land and water blend seamlessly into a vibrant tapestry of life. Here, the mighty Mekong River splits into a maze of winding waterways, shaping not just the landscape, but the very rhythm of daily life for millions. Explore by boat from bustling towns like Mai Tho or Can Tho, gliding past stilt houses perched above the water, lush orchards heavy with fruit, and endless rice paddies stretching to the horizon. Switch to a traditional sampan for a peaceful ride through palm-fringed canals, where the only sounds are birdsong and the gentle splash of your paddle. It's nature at its most serene, a world away from the city's bustle. Rise early to visit Kai Rang Floating Market at dawn, where hundreds of boats brim with fruit, vegetables, and even floating cafes serving hot noodles and coffee right on the water. Watch vendors advertise their goods by hoisting samples high on bamboo poles, a vibrant, chaotic spectacle of color, sound, and energy that's unique to the Delta. Taste exotic fruits picked straight from the orchard, and see how coconut candy is made by hand, a sweet treat crafted with generations of skill. The Delta's bounty is as fresh as it gets, a true farm-to-table experience where every meal bursts with the flavors of the land and river. Life here moves to the gentle rhythm of the river, offering a glimpse of traditional Vietnam, where families live, work, and celebrate on the water. The Mekong Delta is the perfect finale, showcasing the country's incredible diversity and its deep, enduring connection to the land and water. Let's drift through this enchanting water world together and savor the timeless beauty of Vietnam's Mekong Delta. No journey through Vietnam is complete without savoring its extraordinary food. Vietnamese cuisine is a celebration of fresh herbs, balanced flavors, and regional specialties. In Hanoi, try pho and bun cha. In central Vietnam, sample spicy khao lao and crispy bang xeo. Down south, cam tam and the iconic banh mi, Vietnam's answer to the perfect sandwich, await. Street food stalls offer the most authentic flavors. Be bold and pull up a plastic stool. Wash it down with local beer or iced tea, and let the flavors linger. Food here is more than sustenance. It's culture, connection, and pride. Vietnam's cuisine will be one of your most lasting memories. This country offers breathtaking beauty, rich history, and a spirit that welcomes all. Vietnam isn't just a destination, it's an adventure for every sense.